PPT again.
Madam,
Please give me
please,
2 minutes.
madam, please begin. We are live.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are starting with our session. So today we have the webinar on Shopify e-commerce platform, which will be helpful for a student to find out the how to implement the e-commerce and how we can build our website using e-commerce and the basic awareness of e-commerce system. So here we will start our webinar. So I hand over my session to the Palak ma'am. Over to you, Palak ma'am.
So yes. Hey guys.
Very good morning to all of you. I am conducting the webinar on the topic of Shopify e-commerce platform. Everyone can hear my voice?
Yes, it is perfectly audible.
Okay, that's great. So I am sharing my screen. Everyone can visible over here? Hello?
Yes, everyone can visible. You can start.
Okay, yeah, that's great, Bhavya. So everyone knows that what is e-commerce platform, or have you heard this word e-commerce? So I am basically give the introduction about e-commerce platform. So what is e-commerce platform? E-commerce platform is kind of a bridge between the seller and customer that provide a platform, right? So in technical terms, that we can say that it is a platform that it is a software that enables the commercial process of buying and selling over the internet, which will provide to help your online business to more grow. So e-commerce is a electronic commerce, is the activity of electronically buying or selling of products on online services and which using of over the internet. Like in simple words, we can say that we have to purchasing and selling the activities happening over the internet, right? uh, Next, we can say that what kind of different types of e-commerce platform. E-commerce platform has mainly two types. There are multiple type of e-commerce platform, but mainly it's a two type of platform, which is B2B and B2C. B2B means business to business, and B2C means business to consumer. So business to business means like kind of in terms of that wholesalers, right? So B2B, business to business, a type of electronic commerce is the exchange of that products or your services or information between the businesses. Like we can say that Amazon is kind of multiple of businesses, and then they have provided to the business to business. Like for example, eBay, AliExpress, all are the business to business model. B2B transaction is conducted between two companies like wholesalers and the online retailers. Why it is need? So everyone has their business. Like smaller business have to get more profit. They are also combining to the main larger of business. So B2B is important because every business need of purchase products and services from other business to launch, operate, and grow. This is business to business model. Now business to consumer. B2C, business to consumer e-commerce, is called as in terms of retail commerce. Retail e-commerce is that business model that involves sales between online businesses and consumers. So a kind of, we can say that our shop, but kind of online business we have to do. So that is the business to customer or business to consumer, we can say that. B2C is kind of types like we have to direct our sale to the customer, or kind of advertisement based or community based also. Second thing is what is the difference between B2C and B2B? So B2B is very kind of large amount of business, so which is very highly amount of rate also, and also have to give more money over there. B2C means like a smaller kind of purchase and lower dollar amounts, like a lower amount we have to share over there. Then B2B means like many people are involved in the buying decisions, and they can be from multiple departments in an organization. While in B2C, that is, purchases are made for the individuals or households. Buying decisions may include influencers or other users. So these are the mainly B2B and B2C difference. B2B means highly calculated, rational buying decisions. We can take say that B2C means frequent impulse buys and emotional buying decision can be made. So in B2B, longer, more complex sales cycle, and in B2C, the sales cycle is much shorter than compared to the B2B. The buying process is often a single step also. So what is B2B? In that brand identity is less emphasized, where in B2C brand identity is emphasized. We can say that B2B is marketing departments take up a small percentage of the overall expense, and in B2C marketing departments frequently take a larger percentage of the overall expense. So there are different e-commerce types also, as I say. There is we have mainly two B2B and B2C we have considered. Then also C2C means consumer to consumer also, then consumer to business also, then there is business to administration. Administration means who can handle the whole the process of your store. Then consumer to administration. So now coming to the Shopify, there is a multiple of e-commerce platform over the internet we can use, like Shopify, BigCommerce, all other we can use. Why we have to choose Shopify? So Shopify is very easy to manage the products, and very much kind of helpful support over there, or we can say that it is a commerce platform that allows anyone or any technical or non-technical set up their online store individually and sell their products, right? Shopify unifies all of your commerce onto a single platform, and with Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, in person, brick and mortar locations, and pop up shops, and across multiple channels from social media to online marketplace. So basically, we have to build our business on as a platform of online store. We have to use the Shopify, and we are selling our products over there and make a profit by online with from one single platform, right? So how to start or where to start? We have to Shopify. So Shopify gives kind of every functionality from their own website. So I'm just now checking in shopify.in, which is main Shopify site. So this is the Shopify store site. I can see over there there are multiple kind of links over there. How we can start the Shopify? So start your business. We have to need some basic requirements over there. Like if we have to build our store online, then basic needs we have to take. Like we have to log your store's logo already over there, which is the identity of your store. Then like of design, or we have to in your mind that I have to build this kind of structure over in my site, or I can give this kind of colors in my store. So there's these are the basic requirements we have to keep in mind before you creating your online store. So Shopify give you the build your brand online also, so you can check it out over here in the site, that take the steps to move from the ambition to action. In build your brand, we can say that we have to build our logo online, or suppose we have kind of clothes products, or but we don't know that what kind of business name we are providing over there. So they also help our generate a business name also. So you can check it out over here, that generate a business name, and just find out over here that which kind of shop we have. So I can say that okay, so Pizza Hub then generate names. They are providing our generate name like pizza charts, cold pizza, influence pizza, or pizza proper inside. So we can choose. If we cannot decide the name of our store, then we have to generate the logo of our store, right? So for that, we have to go over here. Logo maker. Logo maker means free logo making tools also we can use over there. And also they provide this kind of category. We can choose that in which category our store is. Kind of fashion, kind of health and beauty, home and garden related. All our store is related to the sports, gifts, collectibles, tag. These are the different categories they provide, and we can choose the um, our stores category, and then they are help us to give the logo suggestions, and we can also modify that logos over there also. So I can choose fashion, right? Fashion. Okay, then, or I can so choose food and drink also. Okay, so these are the different categories which help us to create our business logos over there in that. Uh, then we can choose design a logo from hundreds of templates they are given over there. Then your personal graphic designer, okay, create a logo. Okay, so uh, there is some problem over there, why it is not going. Okay, so you can choose any category and create your own logo from there. Uh, Second thing, these are the basic requirements of sites information. And now we can check that store setup, like how we can set up the store, right? So for that we have to try for free. So basically, Shopify give the free store build for the 14 days trial. Then after we have to pick a plan for that. Shopify is easy but very much cost effective also. So we have to start a business. We have to set up this kind of a store. Let's get started. So they are asking you that your business is just starting level or you are already selling online, right? So I am just starting. Then I can say next. Then where would you like to sell? So my store, I have to sell the my store. So these are the different categories, that it is online store, or I have to sell this store onto the using social media, or in person, or as an existing website, or I can say blog, or there are we have to as a marketplace, so online marketplace. If we have to skip, then also you can skip there, but online store is by default selected. So the store, whenever we access the store, it is online, right? But it is password protected also. What would you like to name your store? So if your store is what's your name of your store, you can provide, which is also optional. If you are not decided yet, you can choose the site generator, like business generator we can use. And but right now I am giving this store name as like trendy fashion, as we are going to uh, right, trendy fashion. These are the so apparels we have to use. Then we can say that trendy fashion, they are just give suggestion that this is the URL of your site over there. So trendy fashion 1320.myshopify.com. Then next, we have to select our country, there where your business is located. Country that is selected India. The next, just follow this step. You don't need any kind of it just need an email, not need any kind of credit card or anything for the trial version. You just have to use the email address for that. Continue with email, uh, or create Shopify account. Continue with Google. We can direct redirect over there. So I have just okay. I am just adding my email address over there and continue with email. I can say my personal email address over there. My create Shopify account. Continue with email. Okay, so this way we can select our store over there. Okay, 1 minute, just to try. I have created my store over there, Fashionable Vista, and they are just this is the dashboard of Shopify store. Just to give me a minute. Shopify. Then I have to try for free. Then okay, I'm just starting. Then next. And then this is online store. Next. This is optional, but we can say that trendy of fashion. And we can add it over there. Trendy of fashion. Next. India. Next. Continue with Google. Why which is giving me the error? Okay, so this is the building your store. This taking 5 minutes, and then after it will provide you the store dashboard. Okay, so we have created this trendy of fashion store, and they will give you the dashboard of the store. So you can see over that your trial is just started. So they are giving the 14 days trial. So this is the continue till 14 days. It is a free. Then after we have to select a plan from that. So for that we can check it out that how it is cost effective. Select a plan, right? So this is basic Shopify, this is Shopify, and this is advanced Shopify plan category. So basic Shopify, that is this kind of amount per month. If you have a smaller business, then you can choose the basic Shopify. So there are different kind of features, but that is basic level of features they provide. They are not providing the advanced level of features like for the selling purpose features or any other features. This is the Shopify kind of give you kind of intermediate to have to business, then you can choose this also. And you have a big level or large amount of business you have, then you can choose this advanced kind of Shopify plan over there. So I'm just giving the review of this Shopify dashboard. This is basically a home. So that is dashboard over there. You can check it out all the notification over there, and what kind of process you need to follow. They are also give you as a notification. So there are also help from the support links also. So explore more support, check out these resources for answers to your questions, videos, and best practices. These are the helpful documents. These are the Shopify learning kind of uh, a document link. Then this is the course or video. We can check it out for the uh, basic setup, and this all the links you can uh, figure it out, and then you can do it by your own. I'm just giving an interview overview of this. So this is online store made. So basically what is the design is theme based, right? Your theme is free, as it is providing kind of name as Dawn theme. Dawn theme is by default Shopify's theme, and we are just viewing that store, that which kind of features they are providing in this theme, right? So this is the front end of your store, that how our store look like. So there is in our store three parts of any of the page, and that is one which is header, then second which is middle of your page, which is content part of your store, and the third is footer part. Header and footer are both are the same and constant as in every page, but the content of that page will be the changeable, and we can more interactive. So this is the home page. Basically, in any kind of online store, there are there are home page. Home page means like what kind of products, what kind of collections of your store, which will give you the basic details. There is a kind of a banner, first of all, image banner, then kind of what kind of brand you have, that is like called as about us section. Then you have product section, that which kind of products you in your have store, so that is feature product section. Then multimedia collage means like we have to make a section by adding products also, and then collection also, then video also. So this is the video section by adding our brands video. So these are the different kind of section we can include it into the home page. So this is a home page. Then second page is in any store is like collections. Collections means that if I have kind of products to sell, then it is categorized in all that thing. So this is the collection page in any kind of. Then product. So in every category there is a product also we can add. Then contact page, these are the page that how that store can where to store can access. If you have any query to store owner, then you can submit it using the contact page also. So these are the basic page. So for a flow of this store is kind of home page, then we have to build our collection page, then product page, then cart page, which is we have to product page, then we have to add it into the cart. So these are the cart page. Right now we have totally a blank of this store, so there is no kind of collection or products added over here. I'm just giving overview of that how to add products, how to add collections, and what kind of settings over there. So this is the theme customize. This customize means what? That I have to customize my store in a way that it is look more attractive, right? So this is the customization, which by default inbuilt section over there. So in header, there is one announcement bar. Announcement bar we have stored that welcome to our store. Like we can give simple text over there, or I can more interactive. I give that if I have sell, then adding text as well, like in similar way that a flat 50% off on any product, right? So which is more attractive and attainable. So that's why it's called as a announcement, that what kind of announcement of the store is right now have. So this is the color scheme, this is the announcement bar, these are the uh, by default options they provide into this theme. You can edit your any kind of uh, custom field over there, like I have to color scheme not, but give the background color or background image over there, then if we can also do it. This is the tags we have added, then color scheme. So these are the by default color scheme added into the theme, which is accent 1, accent 2. So it's, if you look more attractive, then choose the color of your store background color, then it will look very much clearer. Then we can add the link of that collection, that what kind of this flat 20% of any product. So we can give the link that collections all, right? All collections. Announcement by, then after header. Header is commonly there are three kind of sections in a header, that it contains logo, second is navigation menu of your theme, that which kind of links over there, and third is like header icons. Icons means what, that different kind of lock-in option or search icon or cart icon we can add over there. What kind of logo we have generated for this store, we can add it over here. This is the color scheme again, that how our background color of header is look like, we can choose from there. This is color scheme we have selected. Then logo image, if you have already built a logo, then we can choose from our gallery. Then this is the custom logo width option. Custom logo width means we can edit the width of that logo, right? This is the position, logo position option. That desktop logo position is middle left. We can give it as a top center also. So this is look like that. It is coming to the center, then navigation is uh, going to the down, and icon is left and right side. So it is depend on the requirements or how you can look your site, you can choose it from there. Main menu, main menu means what, that what kind of different links into the store. So I have said that there is three kind of link, that is home page, that is collection page, product page, and kind of different other pages means what, that this is the contact, I have to add the about page also, and add it into the navigation menu. So what we have to do for that, this is have to selected main menu, then I have to uh, add it into this. So I have selected this menu, which is going to the navigation menu, which is right under the online store, and that is navigation style. So there is a different menu, we can add it. So this is main menu called over there. So main menu, I have to add menu item as called as about us, which is going to the page of about us. So I have to first add the page to the about us. So in upper that pages, I have to create a page called as about us, and I have to redirect the link over there. So that that is showing me to the about us page into my main header. So I have to create one page called about us. If you have not built out that page, then you can give it as hash, which is stay on that page, and then after you can create a page and redirect to that. This is very time consuming, so I can add it the hash over there and save it, right? So add. So yes, so this is about us, and I have saved. So about us link is added to the main menu, and now it is look into the header that we have installed is about us also, right? So just refresh that page and you can check that there is about us link is added over there, right? So here it is my about us page, but right now it is not editable any page or redirect to not anywhere. Okay, once again we will try. Okay, so there is one page is created which is contact page. We have to add another page, so this is the option, or select a button of add page, then add about us, and I have to add the same. And this page we have to redirect into this about us link. For that we have to go to the navigation and going into the main menu, and in about us we have to add the link. So we are adding from the pages drop down, going to the pages and select the about us page and apply changes. So now and save, hit the save. So now when I refresh this page, that about us menu is going to the about us page, which is this page. So this is the blank page, so it is into blank over there. If I'm adding that any kind of content which is in this field, hi, we are trendy fashion, please check it out our collection. You can add this all by this editor. I can choose it as a heading, or I can give it as a paragraph, block quote, anything, right? And then save. Then refresh this page. Or directly you can view page. If it is not visible, then you must have to check the code, that which kind of code over there. It is not taking. This is about us, this is RT, and why it is. So in going to the page.liquid, I have to check the code of page. So this is the basic page.liquid. This is the liquid file. RT, in that we have to give the page.content. So this is the settings base, but if I'm giving to the page content over there, then it will take from the dashboard page content over there. Okay, so this is coming. This is liquid code. We are going to liquid code and at another time, but right now we are just doing the customized thing. So yes, we have to check the header, and as well we can add the footer also, content part also. So for the image, these are the different sections they have already chosen. We can choose the another section as per our need of store from this section, or we can customize the store also from by ourselves by adding this liquid code into the template. So this is the section, different section. So this is collection list, collapsible content, contact form, all kind of section. I'm just quickly overview of the section that how we can manage. This is the image banner on home page. Second one is always mostly or probably all the store can choose the banner of their store. So this is the cover image. We have to change the image. We have to check the click on the change, then select the image. If you have already a cover image, then we can choose it and adding over to the in Shopify. Uh, then provide the free images of any category, like we have fashion kind of, right? So these are the free images. Free images means like they provide like we have to choose the banner as per our concern, like kind of this. We have to choose as a banner and choose it and save it. It is coming over here, right? So and Shopify is very easy because it is very much kind of useful and very user friendly, I can say that. So if I have to add this banner to this second, first section is I have to take as a rich text, then it is providing the drag and drop facility also. If I have to remove, not remove, but just hide for some time, that how it is look like, we can say hide over for some time, and then if we look that we have to add it, then we have to click on this eye option, so it is visible. So we have to drop again second image banner. So they are giving this kind of settings for the image, right? So it is first image, second image, then image overlay. Overlay means this is image, and above we have to give overlay because of upper text we have to add, right, image panel, or so it is properly clear or to visible. That's why we have to add overlay over there. If you have to not require that overlay, then opacity become a zero, then this is directly showing the image. But we have to keep this because so that's why this our banner image tags will be visible properly to the client user. Banner height option is providing that how much height you can choose, small, medium, or false. Small means it is automatically small, we can choose the medium, so it is very much visible. Then adapt section height to first image size. So if we have to add second image, then it is height is also maintainable. Then desktop content position. Desktop content, right now it is bottom, right? So if we have to add to the top center, right, then it is going to the top center. it, if we have, these are the different options they provide. If we have to add to the middle center, then it will going to the middle center, right? If we have to add it to the bottom right, I can say, so it is bottom right. Then this is so container on desktop. uh, Container means it is wrap the text. If it is not, then it is this is the wrap by the container. This is, so there are multiple options they provide by default. If we are using it, that is of our choice. If we are not want to visit, then you can remove it, or you can just hide it from that. Then this is desktop content alignment. If you have to this is inside box text alignment, which is left, so it is going to the all text can be left, then right, then all text can be right. So I'm looking left as a good, so my design is that's why. Color scheme, we can edit as accent 1, accent 2, background 2, whatever, or I can edit some new custom color scheme also over there. So this is the mobile layout. So in this dashboard you can see that there is desktop icon. So desktop icon give you the preview of your store as a desktop view. If you choose that it is mobile, how it look like, then it will showing you that in mobile it is look like this. Mobile content alignment option also over there. Mobile content is left, I have to, then also it is left. See, you can select and you can see that how this content is aligned to over in our store. Stack images on mobile and show container on mobile. You can container showing throughout the site, which is in desktop and mobile as well. So you can select or check this option that show container on mobile also. So you can see over there that whatever the container styling, which is by default taking, because we have selected over there, right? So this is our banner look like desktop, it is look like this, and mobile, which is look like this. Now I have to change this content as well, right? Shopify give you the functionality or kind of facility also directly that I don't know that which section it is. So I can this is the arrow functionality. I have to just select that. So it is openable over there. You can see that openable. If this is deactivated, then it is not showing, right? If I can deactivate, then I can choose, but not any kind of. But it is very useful inspector tool. So image banner, I can say image banner heading as a okay stylish outfit, right? Stylish outfit and add over there. Then heading size we can choose small, medium or large. I can choose medium, which is very small. So large we have to keep it. This is mobile view and this is desktop view. And hit, then you can also button shop all, going to shop all. Then this is button label, then adding the link over that button. Then these are the second button label. uh, I can say shop all or shop now. So this button is going over there. I can change the button style also similar to the this. So use outline button style or use without outline or with background. Then you can choose this kind of style also. So they are providing this kind of option. You can choose any kind of products particular, then also you can choose over there, right? And hit the save. So our banner is ready to show. We have to just, this is the option, you can directly access your store or open the store from there, right? So in our store we have to add it the banner, right? Similar way, every section you can editable by anyone, right? So this is the restacks. I can say that talk about your brand. So we have to add the styling options also. Desktop content position, which is left, right, or center. I can move it to the left also. Content alignment, which is left also. Then color scheme they're providing us. Then make section full width. If I'm not make section full width, then it will adding a container or spacing over the left and right. But if I'm adding a background, then it is make that your section is full width. So I'm just checking this. This is the spacing area. Top, if I have to add the padding, then I can select or slide this 40, 30, 20, whatever space we have to add, we can just have to select from there, right? So I have added bottom spacing as well from the top padding and select the same. This is the styling part. Now talk about your brand. You can adding the text that who we are, or we can say that about us, whatever you like to add over there, just have to select and change the text and add. You can also select the size of it. Then similar way, we have to add each and every section, right? So we save. Whatever the desktop view, you can also check the mobile view, how it is look like in desktop, right? So once again refresh and you can check it out that these are the sections, right? Now there are multiple different sections. I am adding some another section, image banner, right? Which is not so image banner. Image banner, then another section. Okay. I have a video section over there also. If your store have already a YouTube video, then you can add it that over here, right? YouTube link just have to put and your video is start over there. So this is the video section. This is collage section. Collage section means kind of different kind of collection products, and also you can add it over there. So this is the brief introduction about the how you can add the sections of your store in Shopify. If you have to add the collection section, then I'm just adding one collection and product, that how you can add the collection into your store. So this is the dashboard. You are going to in products. In products, you can check that we have not add any products. So I can add my product over there. I am giving the name as there are short sleeve t-shirt. So I am short sleeve t-shirt over there, right? And whatever the product media I am adding over there, then pricing, then cost per item, inventory, all kind of thing I can add from the product also, right? And hit the save. This is adding the product, save, and I am adding one collection for your reference, that this is create collection t-shirt collection, right? Okay, so collection type tag base product tag is equal to any condition we have to give. This is right, this is product tag, or we can choose the product title is contains the t-shirt, which all are going to this collection, right? So here I can adding one collection, and then we will finish this session, and just hit the refresh. So in collection you can check you have t-shirt and coming this short sleeve t-shirt as the product in this collection. So one section already over there, feature collection, we have to select that which feature collection we have to select over there. So change collection, we have added t-shirt, so this is t-shirt, right? And hit the save. So it will showing you the all products of that collection over here, and hit the save. So this kind of sections you can add it from this in Shopify, right? Okay, so I hope everyone can just getting the overview of Shopify and how to use it in, and how we can customize the theme into it. So you can just build a store for your business and check it out at your own. Thank you so much, everyone. So over to you, Bhavya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Palak ma'am, for sharing your valuable words and share your knowledge about how e-commerce platform is working, as well as different types of e-commerce platform. Mainly, you discussed that how we can easily create our store in the Shopify and expand our business globally. As well as it is very cost effective and you just follow the simple step to create a store. So it will be very valuable words and student can learn from this. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again. So we are ending our webinar over here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh, Ben. Hello. હે બે લીવ તો થવા દે લીવ નહીં થઈ તું શું યાર મને સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં